Hey there everybody, Radu here. Thank you all so much for choosing to take a look at my latest software, WP AutoWebby. Now WP AutoWebby is a fully fledged WordPress software which includes a WordPress theme and a WordPress plugin. So all you have to do literally is just install the theme and plugin and you're good to go. The purpose of WP AutoWebby is to let you run automated autopilot webinars, which allow you to tap into the full potential of webinars, get that 60% conversion rate that webinars usually generate without you ever having to actually be live on the webinar yourself, to actually present yourself. The way it works is that it allows you to insert the video URL to any video, so it can be a sales video, a demo video, it can be an explainer video, it can be a webinar recording, somebody else's webinar, and so on. As long as you have a video, you can run webinars with WP AutoWebby, and it comes with done for you pages for everything you need, as you can see right here. So we've got registration pages, we've got the live webinar pages, which go live exactly at the time that you pick, and we're going to take a look at that in a second. And then we have replay pages, which allow you to use webinar replays, and this is all automated, all taken care for you. And we have a thank you page once somebody signs up to the webinar, and an offer ended page once the replay has expired and the webinar offer is no longer made available. So now that we've taken a look at all of that, let's get inside the backend of WP AutoWebby and check out just how simple it is to actually use it to create those pages, to create those webinars, and to start generating leads, making sales through automated webinars. So the first thing that I want to do is to add a new page and create my registration page, obviously. So I just click add new, and then I go here to page builder, and then I select my pre-built layout, which is the done for you registration page, and I pick one of those. So let's say that I like this one and I decide to go with it. I just click on it and I click insert, and it's added, it's all good to go. Now if I wanted to live edit everything, I just click the live editor and it brings me here, which allows me to obviously edit everything as I see fit. I can edit the text right here, the headline, I can add my own picture, I can obviously edit the time and date for the webinar, the timer for the webinar, and then I can also edit the sign up now button. If I click on it, it allows me to insert my sign up details. Now obviously WP AutoWebby is integrated with all major autoresponders, so you won't have any trouble at all integrating those. They come built in from the very beginning, and they allow you to automatically send out reminders to your subscribers, to people who registered to your webinar, so they know when to show up live to the webinar. So this is the registration page, very simple to create one. It's basically all done for you. You just change the content, the date, and obviously the sign up now, so it integrates with your autoresponder and you're good to go. Next up, you'll want to create your live webinar page, which I've done exactly the same. I just went to live editor, I picked a layout, and then all I have to do right here is insert the URL to either YouTube or self-hosted video for my WP AutoWebby webinar and when it starts. And then I can obviously select my autoresponder. Now I don't have one integrated in this demo account, but if I did, a drop-down box would appear here where I can select the autoresponder I wanted to integrate with. Now once I'm happy with that, and then right here in the live editor, I can edit when the webinar goes live by clicking right here. It allows me to pick, besides the height and the width, it allows me to pick a webinar start time. So if I go with, let's say, November 6th at 8 p.m, the video won't begin until this time. It will display a webinar is starting shortly message instead. And then again the same, I can pick when the webinar is finished. So anybody joining this page after this time, so let's go with November 6th at 10 p.m. So anybody visiting the page after 10 p.m. will see a webinar is finished Now, this allows you to run literally autopilot webinars and tap into the full potential of them, literally on autopilot. Now, the same thing applies to the replay page. It's literally the same. I pick a template, I insert my URL, and I'm good to go. And you can see the results right here. So you can see them in action. You can see the sign up page that we created. So this is where you would first send your visitors to. Once they sign up, they get autoresponder messages that send them to the live webinar page once the webinar is starting. Now, I can't click on play yet because the start time hasn't started yet. Now, obviously, you can have different things around here, buy now buttons and so on the live webinar page. And then once the webinar is finished, the autoresponder can send customers to the replay, which says obviously when it will be removed. They can click play to watch the video, they see the details about your product, and they can buy from the replay page. So there you have it. WP AutoWebby creates all the pages for you to run successful automated webinars, and also has the technology that's needed to run them automated on autopilot without you having to lift a finger. You don't even have to be live. You just select the time when your video starts, and then WP AutoWebby does all the work for you. We've got dozens and dozens of templates, high quality templates for registration pages, for live webinars, and then for replay pages, which allow you to repurpose your videos. Any videos you have, you can take them and then turn them into webinars, have them convert at 60%, at 80%, have them generate a ton of sales for you, and have it all automated with WP AutoWebby. Thank you for taking a look at this video. Take action, grab this incredible software right now. It's a one-time low fee, and I will see you on the inside.